How to start a business with no audience. You don't need an audience to start a business. You need proof. Right now, thousands of people are posting every day, building content, chasing followers, waiting to grow, and still making zero, while someone with 0 followers is getting paid. That's the part nobody talks about. You've been told, build an audience first. Grow your brand. Post consistently. Sounds logical, but it's slow. And worse, it's a trap, because it makes you feel like you're progressing, when you're actually delaying the only thing that matters. Revenue. Let's be real. Followers don't pay you. People do. And people don't need to follow you to buy from you. They just need one thing. A problem. And you with a solution. That's it. No audience required. Here's where most people go wrong. They think business starts with content. So they post, and post, and post. No response, no engagement, no sales. And slowly, they lose motivation. Not because they're bad, but because they're doing the wrong thing first. Content is leverage. But leverage of what? If you don't have results. Content amplifies nothing. And here's the truth most people never hear. An audience doesn't create income. Income creates an audience. So instead of building an audience, you need to build proof. And proof comes from one thing. Direct interaction. Real conversations with real people. That's how every business actually starts. Not with followers. With contact. Now, here's the uncomfortable part. It's harder, because it forces you to face reality. No likes to hide behind. No views to validate you. Just you and another person. But that's exactly why it works. Because business is not content. Business is solving problems. People don't buy from creators. They buy from problem solvers. Let me show you the difference. Person A spends 3 months building content. Posts every day. Gains 500 followers. Revenue? 0. Person B spends 3 days messaging people. Has no audience. No brand. No content. Revenue? First client. Same starting point. Different focus. I've seen people post for 6 months and make nothing, and then get their first client in 24 hours after sending messages. That's how fast things change when you switch from content to contact. Now here's the shift. Stop thinking like a creator. Start thinking like a problem solver. Because people don't pay for content. They pay for outcomes. Nobody wakes up thinking, I want to follow someone today. They wake up thinking, I need to fix this. I need more clients. I need more money. I need results. And if you can connect your offer to that, you don't need an audience. You need clarity. So here's the simple framework. Step 1. Pick one problem. Not multiple. 1. Clear. Specific. Painful. If there's no pain, there's no urgency. And no urgency means no money. Step 2. Find people who already have that problem. Not random people. Targeted. Go where they are. Comments. Communities. Platforms. Look for signals. Questions, frustration, complaints. That's where opportunity is. Step 3. Start conversations. Not posting. Not waiting. Talking. Simple message. Hey, I saw your post about struggling with X. What have you tried so far? That's it. No pitch. No pressure. Just a conversation. Now here's what happens. Most won't reply. Good. Some will ignore you. Better. Because a few will answer. And those few are everything. Because now you're inside a real problem. And this is where most people fail again. They try to impress. They talk too much. They try to sell too early. Don't. Listen. Ask. Understand. Because when you understand the problem deeply, the solution becomes obvious. And when it's obvious, you don't need to convince. You just need to offer. Now here's something important. Your first client will not be perfect. You'll charge less than you should. You'll over-deliver. You'll make mistakes. Good. Because it's not about perfection. It's about proof. And once you have proof, everything becomes easier. Now, let's talk about the biggest lie. I need an audience to make money. No. You need visibility. And visibility doesn't mean followers. It means exposure to the right people. One conversation can make you money. One piece of content usually can't. That's the difference nobody explains. Now, let's hit reality. Rejection. No replies. Seen messages. Silence. And this is where most people quit. They think, this doesn't work. But they're wrong. This is not failure. This is filtering. Every no removes the wrong person. Every ignore moves you closer to the right one. This is math, not emotion. I've seen people send 100 messages, get 7 replies, 2 calls, 1 client. That's it. No magic, just volume. Now here's the brutal truth. If you don't have clients, you're not doing enough. Not enough conversations. Not enough exposure. That's it. No strategy problem. No talent problem. Action problem. Now let's kill the last excuse. I'm not ready. You don't need to be ready. You need to start. Because clarity comes after action. Confidence comes after results. Not before. Now think about this. Right now, there are people with problems you can solve. They are frustrated. They are already paying someone. Just not you. Why? Because they don't know you exist. That's it. So here's the reality. In the next 30 days, you can get your first client without an audience. Or you can keep posting, waiting for followers, and still make 0. Same time, different result. The difference? Action. In 30 days, you'll either have income or more content no one cares about. So here's what you do. Today, pick one problem. Find 10 people. Start 10 conversations. Repeat tomorrow. And the next day. 7 days straight. No overthinking. No waiting. Just action. Because business doesn't start with followers. It starts with solving problems. If you want more content like this, subscribe. Because here, we don't build audiences first. We build income. And in the next video, I'll show you how to turn your first client into consistent cash flow without ads, without a big audience, and without wasting time. But right now, you already know what to do. So here's the question. In 30 days, will you have your first client or just more followers with 0 income? By using these simple business strategies, you can improve your processes and increase your revenue. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this video with your colleagues.